Is it legal for parents to physically discipline their children? In the case of A versus United Kingdom, a 9-year-old boy was physically punished by his stepfather using a cane, and he sustained serious injuries. But when the case reached the UK courts at the time, the stepfather was acquitted because he relied on reasonable punishment, which basically meant parents could sometimes physically discipline their children as a form of punishment. This is a 1998 case in the UK. It's important to mention that different jurisdictions have different laws when it comes to the physical discipline of children. Now, even though the stepfather was acquitted in UK courts, the case eventually reached the European Court of Human Rights. And the court essentially said there's a very thin line between physical discipline and physical abuse. The stepfather was found in violation of Article 3 of the European Convention of Human Rights, which states that people, and that includes children because children are human beings too, should not be subjected to any form of torture, inhumane or degrading treatment or punishment. So the courts ruled against the stepfather in this instance. Currently, the physical discipline of kids is completely banned in Scotland and Wales, but it remains legal under very strict conditions in England and Northern Ireland. Some of the requirements include no actual bodily harm, no grievous bodily harm, no injuries, no torture, no inhumane treatment. However, if alarm bells are rung by the children or the neighbors, the police will investigate and child services could become involved. In serious cases, the Crown Prosecution Service, the CPS, may bring criminal charges against the parents if there's sufficient evidence of harm to the children. Conclusion is, find other means to discipline your children that do not involve being physical. Because while parental authority exists, it is not unlimited and your children are not your property. Disclaimer, this is only meant for educational purposes and should not be taken as legal advice. If you have any questions, as always, contact a lawyer. I'll see you in the next one.